Hey, why hello there, and welcome back. Good to be with you. Let me get settled in. Well, as you can see, I can't do the Mr. Rogers entrance just yet with the Sugar Shack Nature Center and Family Pavilion 3000 build progress. I need walls. I also need a coat hanger and a hook. I don't have that yet. I got to put walls up, I got to put a roof up, and I don't have a lot of time to do it. But the weather is looking pretty grim over the next few days. And in Connecticut, on Sunday, it's going to snow, the largest snowstorm in the decade, as they say, anywhere from 12 to 18 plus inches of snow. What should I do? Do I keep building and put the siding on, or do I let the snowstorm pass? But I have time tomorrow to work on it, so I think I might make some progress tomorrow for me. You know what? Nope, it is way too cold. Let me get my jacket back on. Not gonna happen. It's like 20 degrees out with wind. Ah, much better. I got my double top plate on, nailed in, screwed in, all good to go. And now it's just putting the final pieces of this puzzle together. All that being said, let's take a look at the work that I've done last week to get the final wall up, and then I'll also talk about what's lying ahead with this project. Check it out. Okay, I got my top plate and bottom plate all marked out. I marked out where the king studs are going to go, the jack studs are going to go for the door and the two windows that I have here. And all the studs are spaced 16 inches on center. You might be asking, well, why do you have everything laid out on the 2x4s over here? Oh, hey, Ruby. It's because in order for me to get this to fit perfectly, I needed to raise it because I need to go above this frame over here. I couldn't fit both the bottom plate and the top plate over here, and I'm out of space because of the final wall. I can't go any farther, so I need to use the whole platform. And the only good thing about working in the winter is no mosquitoes. The only bad thing about working in the winter is everything else. It's cold, there's snow, I gotta wipe snow off of everything. It's a pain in the butt, but the show must go on, right? So I have a long day in front of me. My goal is to frame out this wall and brace it and get the sheathing on. We'll see how far I get. Yeah, that hurt, but don't worry, I was okay. I didn't have time for the sheathing, but it came out pretty good. Next up is the center beam. We'll end on a montage.